Today I've got a fresh and healthy take on a grilled cheese sandwich with some fresh tomato soup. You're going to love the twist we put on these recipes. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. My name's Dr. Blake Schusterman. I'm a board-certified kidney doctor and I'm also the cooking doc. And everything we talk about here today is just for informational purposes. It is not medical advice. Anyways, we're not talking medical today. We're just talking food, and we're talking comfort food. We're talking grilled cheese, we're talking fresh tomato soup, and we're talking recipes that you can make at home and tailor to your specific dietary needs. Check this out. So when I was a kid, I used to love canned tomato soup. But canned tomato soup has a lot of sodium in it. 500 milligrams, 1,000 milligrams. And if you're trying to stay below 2,000 milligrams total for the day, which is the recommendation for a lot of people with kidney disease or heart disease, then those canned soups are going to get you into trouble. So today we're making low sodium tomato soup that doesn't lose any of its flavor, and it's very easy for you to do at home. And we're going to dip in some grilled cheese. Now this is not your standard grilled cheese. We're going to use a couple different kinds of cheese. We're going to use some delicious crusty bread, and we're going to put a special ingredient on the inside. Now, if you have advanced kidney disease, you're going to have to be careful with the tomato soup because tomatoes have a lot of potassium in it. And some people with kidney disease have to avoid potassium. So a tomato soup is essentially concentrated potassium. And no matter what I tried to do with this recipe, I couldn't make it low potassium. When your primary ingredient is a high potassium food, it's just tough to do. However, I did have some ideas about lowering the potassium so it doesn't have quite so much. And to do that, we'll use a little bit of red pepper. You could also substitute some vegetable broth for some of the tomatoes. Now that'll bring down your potassium some, but it will still be a high potassium dish. Anyways, without further ado, this is comfort food, this is fall food, this is winter food, this is anytime delicious food. Watch this, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe or new health tip. I'm Dr. Blake Schusterman. Make sure you check out my website, thecookingdoc.co. Sign up for my weekly newsletter, and I will see you next time.